What if we could make the computer act like a calculator? Oh, that would be so exciting! Because calculators can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But here is today's big question. Can the computer do the 4 math operations all at once? Yes, it can! And today we are going to take the first step to building our own calculator. But first, let's look at a simple calculator together. A calculator has number buttons from 0 to 9. It also has a dot button, so we can write decimal numbers like 2.4 or 5.1. And on the side, it has math signs like plus, minus, multiply, and divide. So today, we are going to teach the computer to do those math jobs for us. In our last videos, we learned how to do each operation one by one. We learned addition. We learned subtraction. We learned multiplication. And we learned division, too. Each time, we followed simple steps. First, choose the first number. Then, choose the second number. Then, tell the computer which math operation to do. And last, print the answer on the screen. But today, we are doing something new. Today, instead of doing just one operation, we are going to do all 4. So first, we will choose the first number. Then, we will choose the second number. And next, we will tell the computer to do the addition operation, and then the subtraction operation, and then the multiplication operation, and last, the division operation. Let's walk through our example first. We will use the numbers 3 and 2. So first, we choose the first number, 3. Then, we choose the second number, 2. Now we want the computer to add them, subtract them, multiply them, and divide them. But wait. If we get 4 different answers, where will they go? Well, we can give each answer its own special label so the computer does not mix them up. So the addition answer will go into result 1. The subtraction answer will go into result 2. The multiplication answer will go into result 3. And the division answer will go into result 4. Then we will print all 4 answers on the screen. Now, let's try it live and see if it works. Let's open our browser, type learnwithbyte.com, and then hit enter. And ta-da! Here is our Python playground. On the left side, we write our code. On the right side, the computer shows us the answers. And here is the run button. We press it to run our code. All right, let's start. First we write FirstNumber equals 3. Then we write SecondNumber equals 2. Now let's do the addition and save its answer in a special label called result 1. So we write result 1 equals FirstNumber plus SecondNumber. Next, let's do the subtraction and save its answer in result 2. So we write result 2 equals FirstNumber minus SecondNumber. Next, let's do the multiplication and save its answer in result 3. So we write result 3 equals FirstNumber, then asterisk, then SecondNumber. And now let's do the division and save its answer in result 4. So we write result 4 equals FirstNumber, then slash, then SecondNumber. Great! Now we tell the computer to show us all the answers on the screen. So we write print result 1, print result 2, print result 3, print result 4. That means show the addition answer, show the subtraction answer, show the multiplication answer, and show the division answer. All right, now we are ready. Let's hit run. And ta-da! We got 5, 1, 6, and 1.5. Amazing job! Let's check if those answers are correct. First, 3 plus 2 equals 5. It matches. Next, 3 minus 2 equals 1. Amazing! It matches. Next, 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. Great job! It matches. And last, 3 divided by 2 equals 1.5. Wow, the computer really did the 4 math operations all at once. Great job today. Today we taught the computer to act a little more like a calculator. And next time we'll keep going and make our calculator even smarter.